Welcome to this trigonometry lesson on Quadrant 2. Today, we will explore the specific sign patterns and values for sine, cosine, and tangent when an angle lands in the second quadrant. Understanding this is crucial for mastering the unit circle. First, let's orient ourselves on the coordinate plane. The plane is divided into 4 sections called quadrants. We number them counterclockwise, starting from the top right. Quadrant 2 is the top left section, highlighted here in red. An angle is in quadrant 2 if it falls between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. In radians, this is between pi over 2 and pi. The terminal side of the angle extends into the top left region. Now look at how we move to get to a point in quadrant 2. We start at the center and move to the left along the x-axis, which means the x value is negative. Then, we move up along the y-axis, meaning the y value is positive. So, every point here has a negative x and a positive y. In the unit circle, the sign of an angle corresponds to the y-coordinate. Since we just established that the y-coordinate is positive in this quadrant, the sine function is always positive here. The cosine of an angle corresponds to the x-coordinate. Because we move to the left of the origin, the x-coordinate is negative. Therefore, the cosine function is always negative in quadrant 2. Tangent is defined as the ratio of sine divided by cosine. Since sine is positive and cosine is negative, we are dividing a positive number by a negative number. The result is always negative. So, tangent is negative in quadrant 2. A helpful mnemonic to remember this is all students take calculus. The letter S stands for sine, and it is placed in the second quadrant. This reminds us that only sine and its reciprocal are positive here, while the others are negative. Here is a summary of what we have learned. In quadrant 2, sine is positive because y is positive. Cosine is negative because x is negative, and tangent is negative because it is the ratio of the two. Remember these patterns to solve trigonometry problems with confidence.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.